Guys, I'm Faye and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Faye, I just said it, and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys had a lovely week. I hope you're having an amazing day, and for today's tutorial, this will be the look I'll be doing. I've been seeing it around and I decided to give it a try, and oof, it looks amazing. It looks looks great. So as usual, I'm going to list all the products that I'm going to use down in the description, so check that out. Anything isn't clear during the video, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. They're both at Phaye Mailu. And like this video, subscribe. Actually, let me wait. Yeah, subscribe. Good. So comment and tell me what kind of makeup look you would want to see next, or what kind of video you would want me to do. I saw someone who said they wanted to see a skincare routine, and I really don't have a skincare routine. Yeah, so I don't even think like it will be meaningful for me to tell you what I use, and I just use oil and wash my face and that's it. Anyways, when I get a skincare routine that's working, I'm going to do a video for my skincare routine, but as for now I don't really have a skincare routine, so guys, I'm sorry. But yeah, I can't do that video because I'd be lying to you. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching, and with that said, let's just jump right into the video. Hey guys, so I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and I'm using my spoolie to just brush up my brows and set them in place. And then to fill in my brows, I'm going to use the Davis pencil, which is in the shade 040. And to clean up my brows, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 040. So my eyebrows are done. Let me just prime my eyelids, and I'm using a concealer. So I'm just going to come back once I've done this eye, and then we can do this eye together. So my eyelids are already primed, and the first eyeshadow I went in with was the color Toasted, this shade right here. So after that shade has been blended, I'm going to take the color Midnight, this black, and then I'm going to use that to just deepen the previous shade. So I'm taking the brush that I had used for my first eyeshadow shade, and I'm using it to just blend out this black. Okay, to blend that out, I am going to take the color Pop, which is this pumpkin orange, burnt orange shade. So, and to just blend everything out, I'm going in with the shade Magic Wand, which is this sort of mustard yellow, and I'm just putting that on top of that orange, that shade Pop. Yeah, and that's basically it. So now let me cut my crease. So on my eyelids I used a shimmer, and it's this color called Shine, and I just put it all over my eyelid. And then the next thing I am going to do is draw on my wing, and I'm using this eyeliner pencil, and then I'm going to go on top of it with some liquid eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm just going to put on some lashes and then I'll be back. So the eyeshadow that I put on my lower lash line is the shade Blessed, which is this bright blue here, and I just smoked out my lower lash line with it. Yes, so just like that. So now I'm going to do my face, and I'm going to start with contouring, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. And I'm using this brush to just blend it out. So the next thing is foundation, and the foundation I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 335. And then I'm going to just conceal underneath my eye, the bridge of my nose, my chin, you know, and my forehead. Okay, so now let me put on blush. So after that, I'm just going to put on some highlight. So I'm just going to set my face, and I'm using the Sacha buttercup. Yeah, I'm using the Sacha buttercup setting powder. And for my lips, I am using a maroon lip liner by Davis. It's the number 13. And I'm just using it to outline my lips. Then I'm going to go on top of that with gloss. And the gloss I'm using is this one. So I'm just going to take my concealer to clean up around my mouth. So this is the finished look for today's tutorial. To all my new subscribers, welcome. I really appreciate all of you. Yeah, and to all my old subscribers, I also appreciate you guys. So if you enjoyed today's video, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you can get notified the next time I upload. Comments, yes, comments, and also check the description. I will list all the makeup products that I used. And follow me on my Instagram and on my TikTok. They're both at Phaye Mailu. So yeah, I enjoyed myself today. So until next week, bye guys.